Hey everyone, it's Alex B here with another question on electric current and resistance from Chapter 25 of Giancali's Physics for Scientists and Engineers. So we're told that we have an electric device which is plugged into a 240 volt power supply producing 6.5 amps. We know that we have Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, which we can rearrange to tell us that the current is equal to voltage divided by resistance. Now we know that normally we have 6.5 amps of current at 240 volts. The first part of the question asks us what happened if we decrease the voltage by 15%. So we know that I0 is equal to V0 over R, but now we want to find out what happens when we go to a voltage V, which is 0.85 V0, so 15% less than V0. Our new current now is going to be equal to I is equal to V over R, where R is going to stay the same. We're going to get 0.85 V0 over R, and that's just going to be equal to 0.85 times I0. Since we know that I0 is equal to 6.5 amps, this is just going to be 0.85 times 6.5 amps, or about 5.5 amps. Where here I'm using two significant figures to match the number that they gave us in the problem. Part B asks us a slightly different question. It asks us what happens if the resistance drops by 15% instead. Well, again, we still have that I0 is equal to V0 over R0 is equal to 6.5 amps. But now we have some new resistance R, which is equal to 0.85 times R0. Plugging that in, assuming that we have the same voltage, V0 over R is equal to V0 divided by 0.85 times R0, but that's just going to be I0 divided by 0.85. And if we plug in our 6.5 amps for I0, we should find that we get a new current of about 7.6 amps. Again, we're using two significant figures because that's the number they gave us in the problem. Thanks for listening.